deliver. So when you are when you are providing great value to your customer, you are most likely that your customer is coming back. How do you do that? Well, provide great value. With each and every product, you can add a little something extra and give your customer the best experience ever. And if you do that, you most probably have a fan for life. So let's get a little bit more concrete. What can you do? So once I've purchased some stickers, and when I got them, I got some extra stickers added to my purchase, and I was totally happy. I mean, I haven't asked for that, and they were inside, and I thought, oh my god, they are so cute, and whatever you think. And then I was really happy to get something extra. And then the next time I ordered from the same seller, and I didn't get anything. So can you imagine how sad I was? Yeah, I was wondering if he or she, it's a big company actually, will add some extra value once again, and they didn't. And when the third purchase arrived, they didn't either. So my customer experience dropped. And therefore, I believe when you add something extra, just a little bit, then your customer will be much more happy. Then, once I purchased some washi tape, I think, and those washi tape were really nice, and the seller added some sweets, some candy. I mean, it was not much. It was just a little bit to say, hi, I appreciate that you're purchasing from me. And it really made me happy. So just that little something, that little extra. The packaging was really nice. The box was really nice. So I saw that the professional seller, and that seller I can trust. And because of that, I really thought I would purchase from her or him, I can't remember, once again. So you see, you most probably have to make your customer the best experience ever. So what can you do? You can package your product better than the others do. You can add some sweets. You can add a little extra something on top, or if you give a downloadable product. So why don't you add a little extra there? It's at no cost. So you just add another graphic or another printable or another little something. Think about more value and think about how you make the day of your customer and how much he or she will most probably purchase from you again just because you have over-delivered.